Today I have the perfect easy dinner idea for you. I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken that you see here. And these are the ingredients. I have here some bone-in legs and thighs. I'm only using one seasoning, that's Ya Mama seasoning, cream of mushroom soup, and these vegetables that you see here. I will link everything down below in the description box, so make sure you get the recipe for this. But you really won't need a recipe, because this is just so self-explanatory, and this was just so simple, yet it was so delicious. So first things first, make sure that you always clean your meat, pat it dry. So now we're adding just that one seasoning that I said, Ya Mama, that's it. You want to season it really well, but try not to overdo it because Ya Mama is a little high in sodium to me, okay? So we're gonna saute the chicken in unsalted butter. Unsalted butter, like, I know it was a first for me too. My husband made this and I was just so shocked at how delicious it was. And I was just like, listen, you have to make this again so that we can film this because it was just that good. So we've added the unsalted butter to the skillet. In goes the chicken. Make sure that your skillet is on medium-high heat. And you want to cook this on both sides for about 10 minutes per side. Okay, always make sure that you have a meat thermometer handy. That way you can check the internal temperature of your chicken. Once it reaches 165, your chicken is done. Okay. Okay, so once the chicken is done, after about 20 minutes total time, we're gonna remove the chicken from the skillet, and you want to just remove some of that butter, but do leave a small amount in the skillet so that you can saute those vegetables. And as you can see, the butter was not burned at all, so don't worry about burning your butter. As long as you monitor the temperature, you should be good. So now you want to add all of the vegetables to the skillet. You're going to saute these for about 3 minutes. Then add the chicken back to the skillet. Make sure that you reduce the heat to medium low. Okay, so we're going to use cream of mushroom soup. As I said, if you do not have cream of mushroom soup, you can also use cream of chicken. They both taste really good. With chicken. So just make sure that you add about a half cup of water just to thin down that cream of mushroom soup before you add it to the chicken. Okay, so you are going to just let this simmer on low for about 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it. This is the perfect dinner idea. Is quick, it's easy, it does not require a lot of ingredients, and it is very tasty. So I hope that you guys will give this recipe a try. Give it a try. You will love it. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to click that like button. I miss you guys so much. I am now just cleaning out my older videos. I do have some wonderful updates for you guys. Just stay tuned for that. I thank you so much for your continued support, and I'm going to show you how we paired this chicken up. So we're just keeping it simple. Rice, and yeah, that's it. Just keeping it simple, but you can pair yours up however you like. This was so easy and very flavorful, delicious. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click that like button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.